5 Best Cordless Vacuums. Number 5. IBC-17. Quick and convenient cleanup. Duty clean UPS around the home. Advanced noise control technology. Only weighs 5 pounds. Indicates when fully charged. Delivers 25 minutes of fade-free power. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Air Ramp. Delivers high-powered, heavy-duty cordless vacuuming, hard floors, and area rugs. Agile design with swivel steering. Won't scratch wood floors. Lay flat handle easily maneuvers around. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Shark Ninja Ion Flex. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Under furniture and freestanding. Directly engage floors for a polished look. Vacuum while charging a second battery. Easily converts to a handheld vacuum. Removable battery for easy charging. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Dykes EB1516. Easier than ever to clean up, down and all around. Still provides an impressive 7 kPa of power. Transition the power from hard flooring to area rugs. This prevents the spread of allergies and bacteria. Wall mount and mounting accessories. 12 months warranty. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Dyson V8 Animal. Up to 40 minutes of powerful. Accessories include docking station. Expels cleaner air than the air you breathe. Crevice tool, mini motorized tool. Bin volume 0.14 gallons. Transforms into a handheld model. Please check the description for detail and price.